Hello there. I will be creating a menu for a Roblox game. So this is how you create it. So call this menu GUI, and then you can do anything. So first, I'm just gonna add a frame. Oh wait, frame. Um, call it main or anything you would like, and then now you can just put it in the middle. Now, you put a text label onto it. 1 by 0 by 1 by 0. Okay, so now we have this. Now let's change the background transparency to 1. Text color. And then let's change the font. And then now let's add a text button. And then put it in like the middle of there. And then put that. Offset the scale. Offset the scale. Okay, so now let's add UI corner 0 by 15. UI stroke. Border thickness 0.5. 0.8. 1. Oh, 255 by 255 by 255. White. Okay, so now let's name this play. Now let's get the scripting. So in the script just writes script.parent dot activated connect function, and then now before we do this, local lighting equals to game get service lighting lighting dot blur dot size equals to 10 probably. Pretty good. 10. Yeah, and then now let's just change it to 0. Now lighting dot blur dot size equals to 0, and then now we need to do local player equals to game dot players dot local player dot wait 5 player dot character dot primary part. Oh wait, the humanoid dot walk speed equals to 0. Script dot false. Okay, so now let's play it and see what happens. Okay, so now we joined, and then now we have this. So now to delete these. Oh yeah, we're supposed to. Oh, 16. Okay, so now local UI equals to game get service or UI dot set core GUI enabled. Okay, so now that should work. Okay,